वेलकम टू माय स्टडी चैनल। फ्रेंड्स, आज का हमारा टॉपिक है सीटेट चाइल्ड पेडागोजी। फ्रेंड्स, आज हम जितने भी क्वेश्चन करने वाले हैं सारे के सारे प्रीवियस ईयर्स में जो है रिपीट हो चुके हैं। और आज का जो लेसन है वो है इवैल्यूएशन ऑफ लर्निंग। फ्रेंड्स, जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं कि बहुत ही कम समय बचा है हमारे पास अभी सीटेट के एग्ज़ाम को। ये जो क्वेश्चंस हैं सारे के सारे इम्पॉर्टेंट हैं सीटेट के एग्ज़ाम के लिए, क्योंकि हर एग्ज़ाम में जो है 2 से 3 क्वेश्चन इस चैप्टर से पक्का पूछे जाते हैं। बिना समय को वेस्ट किए हुए हम जो है शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है असेसमेंट डैश लर्निंग इन्फ्लुएंसेस लर्निंग बाय reinforcing the dash between assessment and instruction. So here answer is assessment for learning influences learning by reinforcing the connections between assessment and instructions. So this is the right answer. Question number 2 is Ravan's progressive matrices test is an example of dash test. Here the answer is culture free IQ. Culture free IQ. So Ravan's progressive matrices test is an example of culture free IQ test. This is the right answer. Question number 3 is when a cook tests a food during cooking, if may be akin to. When a cook tests a food during the cooking, it may be akin to. Here the answer is assessment for learning. Question number 4 is a teacher asks his oblique her students to draw a concept map to reflect their comprehension of a topic. He oblique she is. Here the answer is jogging the memory of the students. ठीक है. Question number 5 is assessment for learning. Answer is fosters motivation. Assessment for learning जो होती है वो fosters करती है किसको? मोटिवेशन को. Question number 6 is school has assessments. Answer is improve learning by providing a constructive feedback. School has assessments इसलिए improve learning by providing a constructive feedback. Friends, मेरे को लगता है कि अगर आप ये क्वेश्चंस 2 से 3 बार जो है पढ़ लेंगे तो यू विल टिक द राइट ऑप्शन इन योर एग्जाम्स, क्योंकि जो चीज़ हमें देखी होती है उसके ऊपर जो है नज़र जल्दी जाती है। जब भी जो है क्वेश्चन पेपर में आपको जो क्वेश्चन मिलेगा आप जो है राइट ऑप्शन के ऊपर टिक करेंगे। Question number 7 is assessment is an integral part of teaching learning process because assessment is an integral part of teaching learning process because assessment helps the learners to understand children's learning and serves as a feedback for her own teaching. This is the right answer. Question number 8 is assessment by only paper pencil test dash. Assessment by only paper pencil tests dash. Here the right answer is limits assessment. Assessment by only paper pencil test limits assessment. This is important question. Next question is dash highlights assessment for learning. Answer is the teacher assesses a student based on his her performance in comparison to others. Dash highlights assessment for learning. The answer is the teacher assesses a student based on his her performance in comparison to others. Next question is Rita took her class for a field trip and after coming back she discussed the trip with her students. It may be connotated as. Here the answer is assessment of learning. कहीं पे आप जो है अपने स्कूल के बच्चों को ट्रिप पे लेके गए हो और आते समय उसके बारे में अगर आप जो है डिस्कस करते हो तो ये क्या है? असेसमेंट ऑफ लर्निंग है आपकी ये. सो दिस इज द राइट आंसर. डायग्नोसिस ऑफ द गैप्स इन द लर्निंग ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स. डायग्नोसिस ऑफ द गैप्स इन द learning of the students should be followed by dash. Here the answer is appropriate remedial measures. Diagnosis of the gaps in the learning of the students should be followed by appropriate remedial measures. Next question is the purpose of measurement in education is to. The purpose of measurement in education is to. Answer is collect information for evaluation. This is the right answer. The Object of evaluation is to dash. The object of evaluation is to dash. Here the answer is establish that learning has actually been achieved. Second is know what the child has learnt, and third is know about the learning difficulties of the child. Friends, here in case in the exam all three options are there, then you have to choose all of the above. So all of the above is the right answer. But in case you found only one option there, then you have to choose that option. Question number 14 is measurement and evaluation can be used to dash. Measurement and evaluation can be used to dash. Here the right answer is check the effectiveness of teaching. Second is motivate the learners, and third is improve the teaching. Friends, here again all of the above is the right answer. Next question is CCE stands for dash. Here the answer is continuous and comprehensive evaluation. CCE stands for continuous and comprehensive evaluation. This is the right answer. Question number 16 is school based assessment SBA focuses on dash. Here the answer is diagnosing the deficiencies in learners, taking appropriate remedial measures. Friends, third one is continuously developing the skills and competencies of learners. Friends, here all of the above is the right answer. So today we have completed 16 important questions. Thanks for watching this video. Prepare well, perform well. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get our latest videos. Thanks. Bye bye.